Hi loves, welcome to my channel. So for today's video, I am doing a smoky eye look. So let's go ahead and get started. So per usual, I'm using my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn just to set my eyelids, and I am also going to go in with my Morphe, I believe it's like a buffing brush, just to buff out that concealer. And I'm doing something a little bit different this time, you guys. I'm going to do my eyeshadow without setting my concealer. And what I actually just realized was that this allows not only for the pigment to show up so much better, but you also cut down the amount of time you spend blending your eyeshadows, because they literally just melt like butter on top of the concealer. And so I am definitely late to this trick. I don't know why it's taken me so long to figure that out. But now, as you guys can see, I'm going in with like a deep brown shade just to blend out some of that black eyeshadow pigment. And literally, like I said, this cut down my blending time so much with my eyeshadows, and it just allowed the pigments to look so much brighter as well without constantly having to build them up. Now I'm going in with a lighter sort of like cognac brown color and using that more or less as my transition color. And then for under my brows, I'm just going to use that light beige color just to lightly highlight. So here I am going back in with that deep brown shade as well as that cognac brown shade. So you guys can determine how intense you want this eyeshadow to look. I wanted it to be, you know, nice and bold. For my lashes, I am using the style Brazil from Bahama Lashes. And as always, guys, I will have all of the products listed down below. I am now going to take my Shea Moisture wipes and just clean up any residual black eyeshadow pigment as well as remove my tape. And I love these hydrating facial wipes so much. Like, the smell is so fresh. And for my primer, I'm using the Smashbox Photo Finish Smooth and Blur Primer. And for my foundation, I'm using the Fenty Beauty Hydrating Foundation, and this is in the shade 390. So for my concealer, I'm using the Milani concealer, and this is in the shade Warm Tan. So let me just say, with this concealer, I definitely went a little OC in my application, but honestly, I really like the formula so far. I like how flat the brush head is, and I think the color is great. I did not know it was as light as it was outside of the tube. So yeah, next time I probably wouldn't get as crazy with it, but I still think it's a really good concealer. And then for my first layer of contour, I'm using my black Radiance contour stick, and that stick is so smooth and so creamy. Like, it blended so quickly into my foundation. Like, yeah, that definitely was a really good drugstore find. But yeah, so I just went ahead and blended that in like so, and applied a little bit to my nose as well. And to set my contour, I'm going into my Morphe HIFI palette, and I'm taking the shades Donut and Debutante, and just applying a light layer right on top of that contour cream. I definitely want to say that doing my makeup is one of those simple pleasures that honestly makes me smile. Like, when I am filming these videos, guys, it's just me, and I honestly have the best time. And so, yeah, I just, you have to really just do what makes you happy. And making videos with makeup makes me happy. Now I am just going back in with that black eyeshadow pigment as well as the brown eyeshadow pigment just to finish up my lower eyelids. Okay, and then I'm gonna do a little bit of blush. So this is my Maybelline blush in the shade Wine. I'll do the shade Mirage. And I basically applied that shade Mirage all over my face because it is like my favorite highlighter ever. So yeah, just applying it lightly in my tear ducts as well as using it as my brow highlight. For my lips, I'm using my NYX lip pencil, and this is in the shade Cocoa. As well as my Sephora Matte Lip Cream in the shade 74. And this is just a beautiful pink shade from the Colourpop Brown Sugar collection, and I just put that on top for a little bit of shine. Thank you, beauties, so much from the bottom of my heart for watching this tutorial. Thank you guys to anyone out there who has subscribed to my channel. Thank you so much for all of the positive comments. You guys have no idea how much it means to me that you support my channel and that you show up for my content. So thank you so much. I truly love being able to create these videos for you guys. Go ahead and like and comment if you have not, and definitely go ahead and click on those videos that I have linked for you guys on the screen so that you can see other looks that I've created as well. Have a great day, guys. Bye.